Hey, so this is the video that I recorded to show basically what it's like to do my lights. I did it in two times speed, so it's not quite as painful to watch. But basically what I did was I stored the lights in my garage, and then I basically untangled them inside the bedroom. That's my wife and I's bedroom. And made sure the lights were straight. They're zip tied to those two pipes. And those pipes are basically pieces of metal conduit with PVC pipe. I slit PVC pipe and stretched it around it. And then there's little eyelets on the tops of those tubes. And there's a hook that I put up in the arch there. So it's just hooked onto that hook. And then there's a bolt there that I've got to undo. So I'll undo that. It's basically a little hook as well. I'll unhook that hook and screw it in, and that will be done with that one side. And then I just once that's done, I'll put I think there's another couple lights up on the corner. It's hard to tell from this angle, but this is quite high. The peak of the roof is quite high, and it's a little steep, a little too steep for comfort. So this is kind of why I devised this method, so that I don't ever have to get up on that higher roof section, the second story roof section. I can just do it all from the lower section. The lights are all cut to this perfect length, so I just have to string them, and then all the way to the end of the roof there is an outlet that I can plug it into. So I'll just have to screw that next one in and then slowly work them across the roof. My son and I will do the bottom ones after I was done with this one. I didn't record the bottom ones, but just, we talked about this roof section, so I figured I'd show you what it's like. And with the ladder, I just have to hook them all up into the roof. This took about 10 minutes of actual roof time, and probably about another 10 minutes of gathering up my ladder and getting all the lights untangled and making sure they all work and getting them straight on the pipes. So all in about 20 minutes from start to finish to get those lights on the upper section hung, and then probably another 15 to 20 minutes to do the bottom half of the roof. Here it gets a little sketchy towards the end here. I'm always afraid I'm just going to step off the roof. But once I get the last couple, we can plug them in, and the lights will come on. And I'll do a double check to make sure they're all working. Back it up, and I'm all done. Here at the end, I'll do a quick shot to show you a little bit of trouble getting the screen in. I'll just show you a shot from the road to show you what it looks like with both of them on and bring it up. That's what we have.